In the heart of nature, where tradition meets sustainability, Hebbevu Farms is preserving a centuries old practice, the making of pure handcrafted A2 ghee. Every step in this process is deeply rooted in care, patience, and authenticity. It all begins with the cows. At Hebbevu Farms, Gir cows are raised in a stress-free, natural environment. They graze freely on organic fodder and are nurtured with the utmost care. This ensures that the milk they produce is rich in nutrients and free from any artificial enhancers. Unlike industrial dairy farming, Hebbevu ensures that only A2 milk from Gir cows is used. This single origin approach guarantees consistency, purity, and the highest value of nutrition. The fresh milk is gently boiled and cooled before being fermented overnight with a natural curd culture. This process transforms the milk into thick, probiotic rich curd, which is essential for the next step, churning. Once the curd is set, it is churned using the Bilona method, an age-old technique where the curd is rotated clockwise and counterclockwise to separate the butter from the buttermilk. This slow and steady process enhances the ghee's natural properties and preserves essential nutrients. The extracted butter is then slowly heated over a low flame. This delicate process allows the milk solids to separate, leaving behind golden aromatic ghee. The use of clay or brass vessels enhances the flavor and maintains the medicinal properties of the ghee. Once the ghee reaches perfection, it is filtered to remove any remaining milk solids. Finally, it is packed in glass jars to preserve its purity, aroma, and rich nutritional value. From farm to home, this is ghee made with tradition, patience, and respect for the cows, the land, and the people who cherish its taste and benefits. At Hebbevu, it's not just about making ghee, it's about preserving a legacy.